Okay, now it is about finding stuff. Okay, so for example, I have inside the desktop. Let me just open here. I can do the command here, but I don't want to confuse you for now. Just follow me. So from here, from the desktop, right click, create a folder, or let's create a document, empty file. Let's name it test dash or test file. Okay. All right, cool. This is inside the desktop. All right. So if I minimize this, you will see that it is here. Okay. But again, we should learn how to use everything using the CLI, and the GUI or graphical user interface will be by default or by the way. Okay. Okay, cool. So we have many commands used to find the files or directories. One of them is the locate command. Okay, locate. And if I type man locate, it will show us information. So this is, as you can see, find files by name quickly. And here it is a lot of options, arguments, and so on. So for example, if I type locate and the name of the file, which is test file, you can see that we have a problem, of course, the plocate no such file or directory. So before that, we need to use something. We need to use the update db command. Okay, update db command here, it will update the database or the index for the files, so locate can find the files. By the way, we have another command we will discuss right away that is slower than locate, but locate, you will find that it is really a quick command. So of course it will show us update db. So sudo, I will use update db. Okay, now again, don't worry about the sudo for now, just follow me. We will handle this in details later on. Type the password and press enter, and let's give it some time until it is finished. Yes, it is finished. Now again, let's press the up arrow until we find. You can see that this is there as a history. Instead of typing the command over and over, we can just scroll up or press the up button. Now press enter. You can see that, yeah, we find it, right? It is inside the home Kali directory, desktop, and the test file. Okay. Now this is the first command we want to learn, which is the locate, and it is much quick. You can see that it didn't take much time. You see that because after all, we updated the database or the index for the whole system, and we just located the file quickly. Now there is another command called find. Okay, and here you can see that if I type man find, it will search for files in directory hierarchy, and it has a lot of options, and actually it is a really powerful command to find, search, execute, automate stuff, and a lot of stuff actually. Okay, you can see that from the manual, from the look of the manual, you can see that it is really huge. All right. So what we will learn that is find. The syntax is like this: find inside slash, which means that inside the root directory, everything in the system, and dash name, which is the name of the file, and it will be test file. And here it will search either directory or regular files or anything. Name test file, it will be find here. Or we can just type F, which means a file. But for now, just follow me. So press enter. By the way, you can see that we will find this a lot, that permission denied, and a lot of a message. Why is that? Because after all, we don't have, as a Kali user, we don't have a permission on these files. So we need to provide the sudo command before it. But another than that, so yeah, let's find it. You can see that it has find the file. It is inside the home test file. So you see that it will search a lot and will give result. Okay, but you can see that it is not really quickly. By the way, why we found it quickly? Because it is not really hidden in a lot of subdirectories and stuff. Okay, because it is really straightforward. It is here after all. It is inside the desktop. Okay. Now, another command we want to use now, this time it is not just for the files. Okay. Now, for example, the ls command, after all, it is a utility. It is a program. It is located inside somewhere. So how to find it? I can use the locate, of course, ls, or find dash and then the name ls. But for the utilities or the commands, okay, the utilities means commands, or for the commands we want to find it, to find the path for the commands, we will use the which or where is. Okay, which or where is. Okay, so let's start with which. By the way, if I type man which, it will show us to locate a command. All right, and a lot of options and all of that. So which ls, it will show us that ls, it is alias to ls, etc, etc, etc. Okay, by the way, I think I should find another command. I don't want for you to handle the alias now, and we will talk about this in detail. So let's find which man. Okay, so you can see that the man here command, it will be inside /user /bin/man. Okay, which is the name of the command. All right, cool. Now let's find where is man this time. And here you can see that the where is, if I type where is here, the man for a where is, this is to locate the binary source and manual page for the command. I can see that it is more powerful and give more result. Okay, so you can see that the command itself, it is here. And here we have user local man, and we have user share man, and this is man.gz and man.7.gz. Okay, so this will show everything, the libraries, the binary, the source, the manual page, and all of that. Okay, we learned the locate command, we learned the find command, and we saw what is the difference, that locate is really much faster by using the update db command before it to update the index of the whole system so we can find quickly. Okay, this is for locate. Find, we saw that it is very powerful, can be execute a lot of things. By the way, we saw that in the manual, but we will not handle it for now. We will handle it later on. And we learned the where is and which command, which it will show us where is the command currently, and where is would show the source, the command, the manual page, and all of stuff. Okay, hope you learned well. I will see you in the next lecture.